Or do you remember what we have learned in the first chapter, the story of the past? Yes, we learned what is history. History is the study of the people and events of the past. There we also learned about the importance of learning history. When we learn history, we come to know about the events of the past that had happened in the life of people. We also come to know why those events happened and how those events happened. We also come to know from history about the life of famous people and also life of ordinary people. We also learned about timelines and how timelines help us in studying history. Timelines help us to study history because it gives us a chronological order of the events. Therefore, it becomes easy for us to understand the events properly. We also learned about three periods of the history because history is divided into how many periods? Three periods. And what are they? Ancient period, medieval period, and modern period. Good. Now, I gave you the answers of the questions that are given in your exercise. I hope all of you have copied the answer from the attached file that I have provided. Now today I'll give you some questions. This is a revision class. You will write the answer in your CW copy. So let's see what are the questions are given to you. Revision chapter 1. A. Fill in the blanks. A1. History tells us why the dash of the past happened. 2. Dash is the study of the past. B. Write true or false. B1. We learn history for many different reasons. You will write true or false here. Write if it is true, write TRUE. If it is false, write FALSE and then underline it. Number 2. Families do not have a history. C. Complete the sentences. 1. We learn history because you have to complete this sentence. Number 2. Timelines help us to complete the sentence. Number 3. A third reason to learn history is because complete it. D. Answer the following questions. Number 1. What is history? Number 2. Why is a timeline important when studying history? Number 3. What are the three periods into which the study of history is divided? Students, write the answers of these questions in your CW copy. First, write the answer of your own, and then after completing all the question answers, match the answers that I gave you in the attached file, and I hope you have copied them in your homework copy. So this is your self revision. You compare the answer, and then if you find there is any mistake, you yourself correct the answer. If you want, you can send the answer through mail, and you know the email ID: dpsj help HELP desk DESK at gmail.com. But this is actually your self revision, so you can do the revision of your own. Only you have to match your answer with the answer that I have given you, and you can find out how much you did well. Thank you.